Are you struggling with arthritis or an autoimmune disease and have tried everything but nothing seems to work? It's time to choose the revolutionary CMO. CMO is a one-of-a-kind, highly concentrated and entirely natural nutritional supplement that is clinically proven to be effective on various forms of arthritis, such as osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Improvements with other autoimmune diseases, including fibromyalgia, lupus, Crohn's, and many others, have also occurred with CMO. CMO is neither an immunosuppressant nor an immunostimulant, so it doesn't weaken your defense system. It rather works as a general remedial immunomodulator, acting only upon memory T cells that control the autoimmune processes within our bodies. This clinically tested formula is proven to provide lasting improvements in as little as 30 days and without any side effects. CMO is 100% safe for humans and animals. So relieve yourself from pain with CMO by Re-Gain Health.